Hey guys, Vizio here, and I'm back with another video. And I've been having this problem of running GTA 5 on my PC, and every time I try to run it, it just got suspended from the task manager. And I usually used to get this message which says GTA Grand Theft Auto 5 exited unexpectedly. Please click retry below to enter the game again and launch it in a safe mode with the reduced graphics. When I used to click on the safe mode, still nothing would happen, and yeah, it's just really annoying that the game just does not work now. So in this short video, I'm going to be explaining you guys how you can fix this problem. And there are actually three ways you can fix this problem. I mean, you can try all three of them. Make sure after trying one of the fix, you open the game up and see if it is running or not. And yeah, before starting this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe already if you haven't. If you guys want to see how to increase FPS on your Windows PC, make sure to watch this video which popped up in the I button right now and is also on the screen right now. So yeah, with that being said, let's just get right into the video. If you have GTA on Steam, what you can do is go on to Steam from your start button, type in Steam and open it up. Just follow the steps shown on the screen right now to verify your game. If you're using Epic Games to run GTA on your PC, what you have to do is go ahead and open up Epic Games, go onto the library, click on these three dots right next to the Grand Theft Auto title and click verify. And that's it. It will take you around 5 to 10 minutes depending upon the speed of your computer. And once it's done, the game should run properly. So the next fix that we can do is go into the GTA 5 installation folder or the directory. So this usually is in the program files GTA 5, but if you have saved it in some other directory, just go ahead and open up that directory. Under the GTA5.exe file, right click and go to compatibility. And now from here, what you have to do is click on run this program as administrator. Just skip all the other things that I did. Don't turn on run this program in compatibility mode and don't turn on disable full screen optimization. Just click on run this program as administrative. Do the same for the play GTA5.exe. And once you're done with that, the last fix that we have to do or we can do to make sure that GTA 5 does run on your Windows PC, what you can do is update your Windows drivers. So one of the easiest way of doing it is by using Driver Easy. So I'll leave the link to it, the pro version, in the description, so you can just go ahead and download it from my website. Just scroll down till you see the download button and download it. The installation part is pretty easy. What you have to do is just it will be in the zip form or the RAR form. Just go ahead and extract it. Click on extract files and click OK. And once these files are extracted, all you have to do is run the driver setup. I don't think I need to explain to you guys how to install a software. And once you've installed this software, just close if it is running already and copy this license.dat. And what you have to do is click on the start, right click on the start button and click on run. And here you have to type in app data, hit enter and go to roaming. Then find easeware, just open it up and there would be a folder in it which is called Driver Easy, and paste license.dat here. It will upgrade your Driver Easy to the pro version. And just go ahead and open the Driver Easy software. Click on scan now. I've already updated my all the drivers of my PC, so I do not need to update them once again. So in my case, it won't show any drivers that are needed to be upgraded, but in your case, there might be some of the drivers that are needed to be upgraded. So as you can see, it says this one needs to be updated. So all you need to do is click on update all. And once that's done, just click on install and the driver will be installed on your PC and the game will be running. And in order to show you guys the proof that the game is running on my PC, I'm just going to go ahead and run the game right now for you guys. And I would suggest that once you guys get into the game, you go ahead and reduce the graphics to the lowest. So that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys solved your issues with GTA 5. If you didn't, make sure to comment in the comment section and I'll see what I can do to help you guys. So make sure to give this video a like, and yeah, as always, I'm Vizio and I'm signing out.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you,